Thank you for your interest in Rhombus Systems' autonomous video security platform built specifically for business and enterprise. At Rhombus, we believe video security should be easy to use for IT and other users from within the company. In this video, I'll provide an in-depth look at the Rhombus console and demonstrate how intuitive the system is to use for your entire organization. When you first log into the system, you are brought here, the dashboard. The dashboard displays overall system data and summarizes the main pieces of information that you want to see. Up here shows your system status. If your cameras are experiencing any trouble, you'll be notified immediately in this section. The section below that shows your most recent alert. The system automatically creates 30-second video clips whenever an alert is triggered. You can either save, share, or view all of your alerts by clicking the appropriate button or link. This next section shows recent faces. Our system uses a series of algorithms to identify the unique properties of an individual's face. When you click on a person's face, you can see their historical face data or view the footage for when the cameras identified this person. The final section of the dashboard shows people analytics and data. With our perception license, you can get full access to unique people counts and foot traffic measurements. This not only shows the number of people, but it can also provide insight into how many people were at each individual location at a given time. The graph is customizable based on timing and can be downloaded either through a CSV file or API. If you click this tab here, this shows bandwidth data. Our solution consumes hardly any bandwidth, so whether you install 50 to 500 cameras, your bandwidth won't be depleted, making it an incredibly lightweight and scalable solution. Next, we'll move on to video walls, where you can arrange a tile view of multiple cameras. Video walls can be accessed through your browser, mobile device, tablet, or Apple TV. Video walls can be configured by location, and you can view up to 16 cameras at one time. By clicking this button here, you can update the cameras based on motion, so if the cameras detect any motion, it'll bring the feed to an optimal viewing angle. Now, let's move on to locations. If you have ever been frustrated with traditional systems where you have to log into each system individually, you'll be happy to know that you can manage all of your locations and cameras from a single console with no special software required. By clicking on a location, it'll show you the status and policies for all your cameras, and if they are connected over PoE or Wi-Fi. Going into a particular camera, there are a few things to notice. When you're on the same network as the camera, it'll stream locally over the LAN and won't go out to the internet, consuming valuable bandwidth. All video is stored locally on the camera for 15 to 40 days. And for customers looking for additional storage, we offer cloud archiving with customizable storage tiers for real-time backup of footage. Rhombus automatically indexes video for motion, human activity, specific people, unidentified people, and for unusual behavior. This allows you to quickly search through your footage without having to manually rewind or fast forward through hours of content. Down here, you have filtering options so you can only see the events that you care about. For example, if you only want to see footage of an unidentified face, you can filter out the other indexes to reveal clips of when the system captured any unidentified face. The cameras also have the ability for unusual behavior detection. This enables the cameras to establish what's normal for a particular space. If something abnormal is happening, such as a person has fallen down, there is an altercation, or someone is trying to break in, the system will immediately alert you of this event. The button here unlocks region search. This feature is useful for when you want to know when movement occurred for a particular space. With region search, simply click this button, highlight the area, and Rhombus will search through past footage to reveal clips for when movement occurred in that area. After reviewing your footage, if you find a particular scene that you would like to save, you can do so by zooming in on the footage, highlighting the event, and pressing save. After you've saved your clip, you can go into the My Clip section. Here you're able to select your clip and share it with other members from within your organization. You can choose to add an optional title, description, and password. And once you hit share, you'll have a shareable URL link that you can send to others so they can view it directly within their browser. Let's go on to the My Faces section. Have you ever wanted to get alerts if an unidentified person has entered your building? With Rhombus, you have the ability to do just that. In the My Faces section, you can configure which faces you trust and which faces you want to receive an alert for. You can also search the entire system for when and where the cameras have recognized a specific person. With Rhombus, the system continually learns and gets smarter over time. Rhombus Systems is quickly expanding the capabilities of what you should expect from modern video security. If you would like to learn more and would like to see what Rhombus can do for your organization, please contact our sales team at sales@rhombussystems.com.